I want to use it again? Why didn't I use it? Would I also buy this thing again? It's unnecessary for me to have it in my closet. Never use them. I have to show you. I will also get rid of all these clothes. Now we will go with you to have a look what I already prepared to clean from my closet. We will start with the gloves. These gloves are from Max Mara Weekend, and they were destroyed. You can see they are black here because kids took them to clean the snow. Actually, they didn't know that you can do it with this leather. Then I decided to sell this trench coat in leopard print. It's a Naked brand. As you know from one of my previous videos, I bought a tiger coat. It was in the vlog somewhere here. At first, I don't need two jackets in animal print. Second, this one I use less often. In Sweden it's always so cold, so I almost don't use trench coats, maybe once or twice a year, and I think it's unnecessary for me to have it in my closet, which I use once a year. My coat I already used more times, warm coat, now in winter, than this coat for the whole year. I think it's important when I get rid of clothes, then 3 questions. Do I want to use it again? Why didn't I use it so often? What actually was the problem? Would I also buy this thing again if I would not have it? So this dress from H&M I will also get rid of. It was in my closet for 1 year approximately, or 1.5. Used it only once. Something is not my vibe or something, I don't know. I had difficulties to style it. I had it in Spain once with some Hermes flip-flops, but something I don't like about it. Maybe the flowers, or maybe the whole vibe, or maybe the fabric. Then I have this dress which is several years old, and it has this funny, can you hear them, wooden details, and it's 100% linen, and I loved it, but it's too many years now. I'm tired of it. I don't know, I just don't feel like I want to use it again. Then actually the thing of one of my previous collaborations, I love the quality and love everything, but I just realized that I never kind of reach for this pink color. It's a little bit more like luxe undertone, and if I would like to have some pink top, then it would be more trendy, because this kind of cardigan in a pink color, then you need to style it only like with jeans, for example, not with a dress. Woman, lady style, and I can style it, I can find things to style it, but I just don't have time to use all of the things that I have in my closet. I also get a lot of new clothes, I get collaborations, and I don't want to have all of my space full of. I don't want to be overwhelmed with clothes. So I have several other cardigans in different colors, so I can use them. So the vibe will be the same, so I don't reach it, so that's why I don't want it. It's a cardigan, I bought it in Spain, and I thought I will use it a lot, but I didn't. The brand is called Sfera Basic. It's pleasant, it's a cotton, it's not very thick, everything is good, it's a little bit longer. I just don't feel that I want to have it, because every time then when I have pants, I want to have something shorter, and then I need to think what to have under it, but it's too thin to have some kind of bulky stuff, like maybe a shirt, but without it will be too open here, like if it's on the body, and then it's probably only for evening. But for the evening I don't want to have black so often. So kind of, I think you understand my thoughts, how I try to explain it. Yeah, but it just doesn't fit to my closet right now. Then I will take away this skirt from Rihuas. Love this skirt, but never used it for last 1 year, so I don't know, maybe something bothers me, this small opening here, but it actually was nice, and maybe I will repurchase it again. Sometimes I do it when I start to miss things, but now I feel like I didn't reach it for quite long, maybe 2 years, so goodbye. Then also another brand, it's the same brand actually, Style, we collaborated. It's these pants. I have to say goodbye to them because they are too big on me. I was a little bit bigger before, now I lost several kilos, so I can't have them. I feel too bulky and it's no use to make them smaller. I have many similar. Otherwise it's good quality and nice. I can actually recommend the quality of Style. And then I will say goodbye to this tunic dress. It's from the brand Arket, I think. Yes, and it's quite long and long arm, and I always thought this piece is classical in closet, it must be beautiful color and pockets. Now I actually realize maybe I will do something else from it. Maybe I don't need to get rid of it completely. It just bothers me that it's long arm and it's long, so when I go to vacation I can't breathe in it. It feels like I'm all covered, or I try to fold the arms or have some open shoes, have some belt sometimes, but it feels too much. If it would be shorter arm like this and it would be shorter, maybe it would be more easy for me to style. I will think about it. I will wear it and try to see if I will maybe make it shorter. Maybe it will be used more like pretty dress or a tunic with trousers if I have something under. Oh, because I like to style things. I don't like just to have one piece. Okay, I like to have one piece like dress, but where it's more styling options, when I can use some pants under this is more interesting for me. So okay, this will give a chance probably. Then unfortunately I will say goodbye to this dress from my new vlog, Pepper Mayo campaign. It's so cute, but it's too tight. It's too tight for me. I usually love the clothes which brand sent me and I can show them to you, and this one is amazing here, but I can't breathe in it, so unfortunately maybe I should repurchase it size bigger, but if it will be bigger then maybe it will be too big, because here yeah, I will see. I decided to say goodbye to this dress from H&M, and it's quite old. I think it was quite popular to have here, I don't know how you call it, and nice color, but now I've bought several new dresses. I have to wear them. I don't have so many days to wear dresses, not in Sweden, but on vacations it's also limited usually. So this dress is already not the best, the first pick for me. It's nice, but you see it's more complicated to get in of this, and I don't think that it's one of the best dresses which suits to my body shape, so that's why I say goodbye to it. It's actually not all the clothes. I found a new piles which I actually have here, which I will show you. I will also get rid of all these clothes. It's quite a lot actually. First I thought it's just several pieces. Okay, I will show you 2 pairs of shoes. Never use them. Those are from Totem, and those are from Paris, Texas. Both of them are expensive brands, but if I have, they're quite tight. And those are, I think I lose them when I use them at work. I wanted to use them at work, but I don't use them at work. And for real life, I don't use them so often. I prefer some small heel when I go out with my girls, or family. So it's better to sell them. Then I will get rid of those mango boots. They are cute, very pretty and everything, and they're convenient, but the problem is that something strange here. When I walk, so my leg is moving, and now I bought another ones from Zara in brown color in sweat. They're much more convenient, much more. And those ones, yeah, I will not keep them just to have them once in 3 years, because I never reach them. For some of you maybe they will feel more convenient, but for me not. Maybe I just need a little bit smaller size so they stuck, because this wide ankle, it doesn't hold. Then I showed you in my last video that I will sell those ones, but I need to wait for when it will be more summery. I will leave it to second-hand store. They are too small for me. They are not comfortable. I thought that they're okay, but when I bought it, but when I tried them again at home, my feet were swollen and no possibility to return it. Then I have also those Yanko. I bought them to use with my Chanel in blue, and I thought it's perfect together, but I kind of think it's too much. Chanel bag and some, here is this bling bling. If it would be without like shiny, what is it, how to call it, small crystals, if it would be without it, then I would keep them. And also I'm thinking that for Chanel I probably will buy something more elegant or minimalistic, but not this. Then what else? Okay, I have to show you all this. This never used by my Birger. I think it's too, it's very cool but too fluffy. Every time I have it I need to clean myself, and especially at work when I work with clothes, then I need to clean myself and all the clothes also with the roller, so no, I can't. But if I would, then this from by Birger, also fluffy. And this actually, it was not so much problems with this fluffiness because I didn't see it so more on some other like clothes, but I mistakenly washed it, it became more tight, and after this I didn't use it for 2 seasons. I just kept it in the case if I could use it, but every time I try it I feel it's too small. Then this black how to call it, long sleeve. It's actually the unisex. I bought the same for my son and for myself, and everything is with unisex. They are not very convenient here in my neck, so if something is a little bit less convenient, then I don't. And by the way, on me, very convenient. This is from Halara. I think you already probably saw my new try and haul from Halara. Then one more sweater from Gina Tricot in the burgundy color. Since I bought the blazer in the burgundy color, I'm a blazer person. I don't almost use it. That's why I think I don't need so many sweaters in my closet. I can have a lot of blazers, but sweaters, I didn't use it even maybe once this year. I don't know if I will send all these clothes now to resale platform, or maybe I will wait till next year because it's almost like spring. I don't know who will buy sweaters. This one I showed you in one of my vlog. I think I will have to get rid of this the black also. It's from H&M. I had in Instagram also the video, and I love it how it looks, but I can't have it. Used it a few times and it's hurts my neck, it's itches. I have a sensitive skin, so also no. Then there is some old stuff. This is probably some old stuff. I just had it at home and just tired of it. It's not like broken or something, I just don't want to have it. This one I can show you. Max Mara. I gave it a try for many times. I gave it chances. I took with me to Spain. I wanted to use it. It's quite modern thing. Yes, it's a trendy to have this knitted, and it looks like a bomber, summer bomber in a white, but I never used it. I don't know, or it's too warm for Spain, or too cold for Sweden, or whatever, but it was no time when I could use it for some reason. This is quite also interesting. More sweater. Lisa Young. Bought it last year on sale. Dressed it once on my last birthday last year in March, and since then I think I used it only once, and it's something bothering me. I don't know what, maybe the color. I'm not a fan of the blue color, or maybe it's too warm to have it like on the body. I would prefer, if it's warm sweater, I prefer to have a tight t-shirt under, because I don't like to be warm, so I can take it off. But here you see with this neck, something is wrong with it. I don't know, but it's a beautiful piece. It's better, it will find somebody else who will use it more often than me. And then I have to say goodbye to 3 of these tops from Max Mara Weekend. I will try them one more time and decide completely, because it's the same model and I love it. But again, my skin became even more sensitive last year. These two sweaters are the same. It's just a roll neck, but it's not actually roll neck because it's not rolled, it's just a standing neck. They're nice quality, but I don't know what happened to my skin. I'm just, I can't stand this tight neck. So these 3 sweaters I have to get rid of. I think that's quite pretty all for now. Tell me if I inspired you to get rid of your clothes. Maybe with some of my previous videos, if you are into this topic, so maybe you would like to see one of my previous when I had a huge purge from my closet. It always feels so good, satisfying. I love to purge. And of course I buy new. I just made a big order from Zara. It will be one of my next videos. I love fashion and I have my blog, but I don't purchase things for blogging. I purchase things for myself because I'm happy with new things. And I'm happy, it's like my creativity. Fashion is my creativity and it gives me, like, enjoy it. Somebody enjoys to cook and I enjoy to cook outfits at home, cook outfits, it looks good. Clothes are my tools. They need to serve or I say goodbye to them. I always think about, I don't need to have the same tools. Like, for example, I don't need to have 10 same tools because they can, it's enough with only one, but they need to be different and they need to be compatible. For now, I will finish this vlog. I will pack everything now which I want to send, and we'll check if I will send it now or with some clothes I will wait, the most winter ones. And see you very soon on my other videos. Bye bye.